Okay, so here's my WPF project for the OOD project. This is a combo box. This is a text box. This is a date picker. This is a time picker. And this is a text block. And this is a text block. And this is a text box. And this is a button, which I couldn't get working for some reason, because I'm not quite sure why, but for some reason it won't accept like floats for floats for some reason. I don't know. It's probably something stupid. It's probably like it's not public or something, but I have no idea. So I basically just commented that out. But like I'm certain it works if like you could get that working. But basically I'll just run the project to show you it working. So how this works is you go here, select an activity, and then you can go like 20 minutes. I spent 20 minutes exercising. And then here, once you set the time, it will +1 to day, because I assume a person is only going to use this program once a day. So say for example, he puts in 4, and then that will +1 to the day. And then after 7 days, it like last week will become like this week will become last week, and this week will zero out. So yeah, that's basically it for it. And then I expect them to use this as like a notepad, just for like a journal for the day. So the run was nice. It was super sunny, and something like that. And then, but this journal, it just gets set as a string. They're not 3 separate strings, so otherwise I thought it would be too long to format, like in the JSON file. So I just left it as a single string. So I assume you're not gonna be putting in like your entire day into there or whatever, every single detail. And then as you can see here, this is 20 for exercise, and once you change, it goes back to 0. Then if I click on that and then click off it, it goes to 20, and this increases because this is the total time you've recorded on the app. So I'll just show you the code real quick. Here's the day thing. It will basically just do that, and then it sets the current week into 0. And then time lost, this is for the text box. This doesn't work for some reason. For some reason, even if you don't put in anything, it'll give an error and it'll cause program to crash, even though it's the exact same thing that I use here too. So I'm really not sure why that's the case. Then this is the code for the drop down menu, where like basically depending on the drop down, it will change the stuff. And let's see, what's this? This the date picker. Took forever to get it working. And this basically uses code, because I didn't actually end up using the date class. And time pick is like to pick the time, and it actually works with the time date. So it will actually set the time that you inputted all this information into the program. And then yeah, this is just basic stuff. Activity dot clear. This took forever. For some reason I couldn't get it to work with the eye, because I think once the code leaves that like method, it just resets it to 0. So I just declared it outside and used them. No, I declared it inside here, inside the actual class, instead of declaring it inside the method, because otherwise I couldn't get it to work. Then here is the time class, where basically I just declared all my like everything I use for the actual program. And then activity is the activity thing that I was doing, which I couldn't get working for some reason. I don't know why. Like it's floats to floats, but for some reason it just refused to do it. It may be the fact they're static, but I don't think that would matter. But yeah, that's basically it for my program. I didn't get it exactly as I wanted, because I actually want to print out the file, but it's pretty close. So yeah, that's it.